Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford Ranger. Stock number is A7718A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Laredo tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side. You do have the FX4 off-road package. Factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You have a bed liner and an access soft cover on top. That's going to keep your bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, four-wheel drive, and your climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ranger on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.